Dear students, this is my seventh lecture in topic halogen halogens. Today I am discussing the continued part of remaining lecture from lecture 7. Today discussing the elimination reactions. First of all, how can we define elimination reactions? When haloalkane react with alcoholic KOH upon heating, in the case of beta hydrogen carbon atom is acidic in nature and forms alkene as a major product. If haloalkane is react with alcoholic KOH upon heating upon heating upon heating, then beta carbon hydrogen atom is acidic and forms, and the reaction undergoes dehydrohalogenation and forms alkene as a major product. CH3 CH2H CH2Cl. If we react with alcoholic KOH NaOH upon heating, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. This is acidic in nature. If they react with alcoholic KOH as a reagent, this acidic OH minus trap and forms H2O, and this is anion. And then after this anion goes to this electron density goes to this one and form ethene as a product. Under elimination reaction, now we have discussed this Setjev rule, which alkene forms a major product. Setjev's rule. What is the Setjev? During dehydrohalogenation, Morse substituted alkene as a preferred. What is during dehydrohalogenation? More substituted alkene as a major product. Let us take example of CH3, CH2, CH, Cl and CH3. 2-chlorobutane. When it reacts with alcoholic KOH and upon heating, first of all dehalogenation takes place. Cl minus goes to outside. The CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. In this case, the 2 beta carbon hydrogen atom is there. This is also beta and this is also beta dash. So there is two possibility. Either it goes to this proton, this hydrogen atom is acidic, either this one is. Here two possibility is there. If now according to Setjev, if those carbon hydrogen goes outside, which forms major product. According to this one, it is more substituted due to there are two hyperconjugation as well as plus I effect. This is a methyl group is electron releasing tendency. So it is a more substituted as compared to this one. Here only 3 hyperconjugation structure can be drawn. So that CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3. This is the major product and this one is minor product. This is the major. 80% possibility is butene and 20% possibility is this one. Now I am discussing about the haloarene is less reactive as compared to haloalkanes. What is the reason behind this? Why haloarenes are less reactive? First is resonance effect. Resonance effect. According to resonance, halogen 3 lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electron goes to this one, so that there is a partial double bond character in between carbon and halogen bond, so that the cleavage of bond is resist as compared to haloalkane. Here easy cleavage is there. Second is nature of carbon atom. Nature of carbon atom. In this case, haloarenes is sp2 in haloarene. sp2 carbon halogen bond, so that S character is more. But in this case, in haloalkane sp3 carbon halogen bond, so that S character is 25%, S character is 33%, so that its bonds is more stronger as this one. Now under certain conditions, the nucleophilic substitution reactions can take place. By the Dawes process, we can prepare the phenol. In Dawes process, when haloarene react with aqueous NaOH under transiting 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere. So first of all, it forms sodium phenoxide, and then aqueous NaOH, it forms phenol as a product. Phenol as a product. But so that nucleophilic substitution can takes place, if the substituent is electron withdrawing substituent, so that ring is more stabilized and the substitution reaction takes place easier. If we take 4-nitrochlorobenzene, nitro is a electron withdrawing nature, minus M effect, electron withdrawing nature due to pi electrons. The reaction takes place aqueous NaOH. Then reaction takes place as compared to this one 423 Kelvin. About 423 Kelvin, then it forms but if two substituents are there, if two electron withdrawing substituent are there, then a reaction takes place more easier than about 368 Kelvin. Then nucleophilic substitution reaction can takes place. If the three substituents are there, nitro group are there, then reaction takes place even at room temperature. There is no need to even room temperature, it can be react. Aqueous NaOH, then it forms OH, NO2, NO2. This is known as picric acid. This is known as 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. It is also commonly known as picric acid. Now, I am discussing about the electrophilic substitution reactions. Haloarenes takes place electrophilic substitution reactions. According to resonance, haloarene is ortho para directory groups. These